Assalamualaikum and very good morning to everyone. My name is Ahmad Zarif Aiman bin Baharuddin. My student ID is 202501010442. So, together with my teammates, we will be presenting my dream holiday to South Korea. South Korea is not just known for K-pop and Korean dramas. It is a country filled with cultural richness, historical landmark, breathtaking nature, and vibrant city life. Today, we will take you through the dreams itinerary that covers some of the best attractions across South Korea. Seoul, South Korea vibrant capital offers a fascinating blend of rich heritage and cutting-edge innovation. Historic landmarks like Gyeongbokgung Palace, the Royal Palace of the Joseon Dynasty, stand a testament to Korean royal history. Visitors can also explore the National Museum of Korea and War Memorial to understand the country cultures and historical narrative. The changing of the guard ceremony remains one of the city's most cherished traditional spectacles. In stark contrast, Seoul modern lifestyle thrives in districts like Myeongdong and Hongdae, famous for shopping, K-pop cultures, and delectable street food scene. The Cheon stream represents urban renewal at its finest, transforming a former highway into a peaceful downtown oasis. For panoramic views of this dynamic metropolis, Namsan Seoul Tower offers breathtaking vistas that showcase how harmoniously the ancient and contemporary coexist in this Asian mega city. So my friend will continue the others.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Ahmad Tajuddin Nizam bin Hassan. Student ID 202410010123. Today I want to present about so vibrant nightlife of a device experience across the city in Taiwan and Gundam. A visitor can improve themselves and athletic club, stylish bar and venue featuring live music. The district represent some most renowned nightlife area. For they are seeking a different form and entertainment. Korean karaoke, not a rebang, provide a private room where a friend can sing their heart out, embodying and crash a Korean social tradition. When hunger strike late, a midnight Korean barbecue stand ready to satisfy craving with a sizzling barbecue, a delicious and inherently social dining experience that capture that absence of a Korean food capture after how Busan, the coastal city. Now let's move south to Busan. Busan is South Korea, a second largest city and is known for its beach, seafood and maritime culture. I am excited about visiting Haeundae Beach, one of Korea's most famous beaches. Another place on my list is a Jagachi Fish Market, where I can try fresh seafood. Busan also has a unique temple by the sea called Hidden Yogongsa with a peaceful and scenic spot.
Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Rahimi bin Abdul Muni. My student ID 202410010148. Today I want to share you about the dream holiday at South Korea. Jeju-do, South Korea volcanic island paradise, showcase nature's most spectacular creation. Adventure seekers can hike up Seonsan Ichulbong, commonly known as Sunrise Peak, to witness breathtaking panoramic view as down with over the island eastern edge. For those fascinated by geological phenomena, Manjanggu Cave present an extraordinary opportunity to explore one of the world's longest lava tubes. A remarkable testament to the island volcanic origin. The island Diva landscape also features stunning waterfall Jeongbang, Cheongjeong, and Cheongjeong, each with its own unique charm and legend, complemented by a peaceful beach where visitor can unwind after exploring. Gyeongju, often called the Museum Without Wall, stands as Korea's most significant historical treasure trove. The city crown jewel is Bulguksa Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its elegant architecture that exemplified the golden age of Buddhist art during the Silla dynasty. Nearby, Seogguram Grotto houses a masterfully carved Buddha statue nestled within a mountain sanctuary, showcasing the pinnacle of Korean Buddhist sculpture. History enthusiasts can wander through Tumuli Park, which is royal burial mound containing artifacts of Korea's ancient ruler, while Donggo Place offers enchanting illuminated ponds that transform into magical landscape after sunset.
Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Iskandar Zulkarnain bin Safi. My student ID 202410010128. Gang Windu provide celebrate for the natural splendor and adventure spirit, present a diverse array of experience. At its heart lies Seorakans National Park, a hub for hikers and natural enthusiasts. Her dramatic peak pieces the sky and cascading waterfall punctuate skinny trail the beacon exploration. The park rugged beauty offer a chance to immerse oneself in the grandeur of the Korean landscape. Future enriching the appeal of Gangwon-do is Pyeongchang, a name now synonymous with winter sport, as the proud house of the Winter Olympic. Pyeongchang boasts world-class facility for skiing and snowboarding. Andong and Gwangju, two cities in South Korea, stand as significant center for experience the nation's rich culture, heritage, and pivotal historical moment. Andong in particular offer a journey into traditional Korean life. A highlight is the Hahok Folk Village, where well-preserved traditional Hanok house offer a glimpse into the architecture and lifestyle of the past. The village is also renowned for its unique mass dance, vibrant culture expression with deep historical roots to feature enriched understanding of Korean traditional. The Andong Folk Museum presents a comprehensive collection of artifacts and exhibits.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. I'm Firdaus. My student ID 202410010125. So I want to tell Nestle in the captivating landscape Nami Island and Gapyeong together with a tapestry of romance and wonder, offering enchanting escape. Nami Island beckons with its iconic tree-lined avenues, creating an idyllic backdrop for leisurely strolls and intimate picnics amidst its serene eco-conscious beauty. The island's tranquil ambience and picturesque scenery make it a cherished haven for couples seeking romantic moments and a peaceful retreat from the everyday. Adjacent. To conclude, South Korea offers everything a traveler could dream of, from history and culture to food, adventure and relaxation. Whether exploring Seoul, vibrant street, enjoying the peace of Jeju, or learning about history in Gyeongju, Korea has it all. For us, this would be more than a holiday, it will be a journey through time, nature and culture. Thank you for listening, and we hope one day we can make all the dream holiday to a reality.